Huh? KL City area buildings can get the condo maintenance fee below 20 cents. Okay guys, today I'm going to show you the unit at the Seri Maya condo at Ampang. This condo is a freehold building and it's just 2-minute walking distance to LRT Setiawangsa station, which can link to the LRT Grand Giant line. This is a penthouse unit and it's a duplex type. It has a very huge build up and which is 2,320 square feet. It's a 5 room and 4 bathroom and 1 parking unit. So actually from the video you can saw it is fully renovated because previously on stay, so that they have put many effort on the renovation part. Okay, we move forward to the kitchen. So kitchen owner break the wall with the open concept, and also the yard area side they also extend it, so be another area for the kitchen. Okay, now we move forward to the bedroom area. Actually downstairs have 2 rooms and upstairs have 3 rooms. So the first one, this one is a third room unit. So and also move forward, this one our 4th room is slightly bigger than the 3rd room. Actually owner done the flooring, everything is less effect for the unit. Okay, now for the downstairs have the 1 bathroom area, so they separate 2. One is shower area, then this one is a basin, then after that this one will be the WC area. Okay, move, we're going to upstairs. Yeah, so from upstairs we can see the ceiling is very high compared with those like modern buildings. And also now we move forward to master bedroom. The master bedroom, this one is entitled master bedroom. They separate 3 parts. For this one's the living area and they come with balcony. Actually this unit comes with 3 balcony. One at the living area, another one master room, then the 3rd one will be second bedroom. Later I will go show you. So we move forward, then this one will be the dressing area. It's a cabinet area. And move forward, this one toilet area, bathroom area. They have the bathtub, owner modify it, and also they have the open concept shower area. If let's say in the future you want cover up, also can. Also the same, they separate 2 shower area, WC area. So the last I will show you another 2 room. This one is second room. They come with balcony as well. Actually, second room very huge as well. You can be the walking area, living area, just the same. Also can. They're very big balcony. Move forward to the smallest room in the house. This one you can be the store area. But even though you want to fix a single bed, also can. So actually for this unit, you no need to do any extra renovation because this one is a fully renovated extended house. And also the tenant well maintained of the unit. You can see from the video the painting, the wiring, those you can see. So you don't need to do anything on the unit. You just bring the luggage, maybe do some touch up on the wall, then you can move in already once you buy it. So any further information you want to know, you can just text me. And also extra information for you, the maintenance fee there is super cheap. So it's below 20 cents per square feet.